Guys, we are in the village, oh. So me, I want eat fresh pawpaw this morning. Oh yeah, Chizzy, hold this thing. Let's get one pawpaw. This one that you touched the screen. I hope you didn't scatter what I was doing. Make sure you get it. Are you getting it?
Yes.
I like semi-ripe pawpaw. I don't like the ones that are fully ripe. I like the semi-ripe. So we're going to wash it. And mirror there. Okay, just saying about it. See guys, we have lots and lots and lots of it. The pawpaw tree. I think about 6 of them in this compound. So we're gonna eat and get satisfied. Look at all of them. All of them, they have plenty of seeds in it. I mean plenty of fruits, sorry. So oh yeah, now choose for me. Don't get yours, don't come. I'm coming. Where am I how? Ara is digging her again. Come on, leave that thing on, Biko. Me, I got inside. This is the only tap they use here. I'm not worried. Nothing, I leave your slippers there. It's too dirty. This is what's that thing? Baby, you eat for
Yes. Yes. Mommy, Papa, please.
Have you brushed? David, wait now.
Mommy. Dun, dun, dun.
David, no. So it's called carrot pawpaw. Are you hearing the sound?
Sister is calling.
Are you hearing the sound? I pause the video. Pause. Joey, this table is this now. Don't drop your food there. See, the nail is not there.
I've rushed.
I need some more. Come on, yeah, I'm gonna start brushing. Brush yourself once and finish the brush. It's too soft for him. Take, baby.
Mommy, that one is my own.